So, oh, sorry. So let us recap what we have just said. We have said 1,000 cubic centimeters is equal to 1 liter. Sawa? 1,000 liters is equal to 1 cubic meter. Now, what is the relationship between deciliters and liters? DL, small letter, small d. Deciliters and liters. Yes, Amy?
1 liter is equals to 10 deciliters.
1 liter is equal to 10 dl. 1 liter is equal to 10 dl. Therefore, you can as well establish a relationship between dl and cubic centimeters and dl and cubic meters using the same method, isn't it?
Yes.
Good. So from there, let us, we were trying to tie or to relate volume to capacity. It is important because volume is usually tested in relationship to capacity. Volume is usually tested in relationship to capacity. Next question. Next question. Next question. Habib. Habib. Habib paid 2,700 for a shirt. Habib paid 2,700 for a shirt after being allowed a 10% discount. It's an easy one. Habib paid 2,700 for a shirt after being allowed a 10% discount. Paid 2,700 for a shirt after being allowed a 10% discount. What was the marked price of the shirt? What was the marked price of the shirt? Marked price? Marked price is equal to selling price plus the discount given, isn't it?
Yes.
Marked price is the selling price plus the discount, because the discount is usually less the marked price. So it is the selling price plus the given discount. This person paid 2,700 shillings and the discount was 10%. The discount was 10%. 10%. Yes, Masijaoko.
The market price was 3,000 shillings.
The market price was 3,000 shillings. How do we get 3,000 shillings? Yes, Jaoko, explain.
First, you'll take 100% minus 10% to get 90%.
So we know that the market price will be 100% because that is our point of origin, isn't it? That is our starting point. The market price is going to be 100%. But now the selling price is going to be that 100% less 10%. Okay? Less the 10%, which was the discount. Is that what you are saying, Mercy?
Yes.
Therefore, we are going to get 90% as our selling price. Therefore, the selling price, according to Mercy, is 90% of the market price. Do we agree up to that point, everybody?
Yes. Yes.
The selling price is 90% of the market price. Then continue, Mercy.
Then, the 90% is equal to 2,700. You ask yourself, what is 100%?
Yes, but we have been told, we know that the selling price is 90% of the market price. But we have been told that this 90%, which is the selling price, is equivalent to 2,700 shillings. We are interested in the market price. which was 100%. If 90% is 2,700 shillings, the next question is, what is 100%? What is 100%? You cross multiply, divide. Cross multiply, divide. So what do you multiply by what?
100%.
100%.
Now multiply 100% by 2,700 all over 90%. 90 will go into 2,700 how many times? 30 times. Is that okay? Giving us 3,000 shillings as the marked price. So the marked price is selling price plus discount. Selling price plus discount. But remember, the marked price will always be 100%. Now, the selling price will be the marked price minus the discount. Selling price given a discount is the marked price minus the discount. Marked price minus the discount. Marked price minus the discount. Whereas the discount will be the marked price minus the selling price. The discount given is the marked price minus the selling price. Brittany, are you okay?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Good. Let us try this other one. Let us try this one. Brittany paid. Brittany paid 1,500 shillings. Brittany paid 1,500 shillings for a table. Brittany paid 1,500 shillings for a table. Which was 10%. Which was 10%.
Connection chini sana. Ingine.
Yes. Brittany paid 1,500 shillings.
Hebu sikia vile inafanya. Je, sasa ni kuongea na
Who is this? Brittany paid 1,500 shillings for a table, which was 10% less. Which was 10% less than the marked price. It was 10% less than the marked price. If Whitney paid 1,500 shillings for a table, which was 10% less than the marked price. If she had paid 2,500 shillings, if she had paid 2,500 shillings, how much more money than the marked price would she have paid? How much more money than the marked price would she have paid? Do I repeat the question? Do we all have the question, but I need to repeat it?
Mom. Mom.
Okay, if you have the question, work it out. If you have the question, work it out. Give me the answer. Whitney paid 1,500 shillings for a table, a coffee table, of course, which was 10% less than the marked price or than the given price of the table. If she had paid 2,500 shillings for the same table, How much more money than the marked price would she have paid? How much more money than the marked price would she have paid? How much more money than the marked price would she have paid? Yes, who is finished? Mumtaz. 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 Unmute. Yes, Mumtaz, how are you?
I'm fine.
How is Garissa? Are you in Garissa? Yes, what do we do, Mumtaz? Guide us.
Nitaenda itakuwa
Mumtaz, do you know what to do? Yeah, Mumtaz is stuck. Salma and Suleha, what do we do? Salma.
Yes.
What do we do?
Huh?
What do we do to get the right answer? You know what we should do? No. Okay, we'll explain.
Yes.
Okay, explain, Salma. Unmute and speak. Salma is not speaking. Let's continue. But I'm sure she can hear us. Michelle Kariuki, guide us. By the way, what is the answer? Brittany, what is the answer? What did you get?
Sammy, I don't know how to do it.
You don't know. Sorry. Kariuki, what is your
I've
answer?
tried.
Kariuki is stuck. Precious, what is your answer? Z12 Pro, what is your answer? You're stuck. Francis. 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 You can hear me and you're just looking surprised instead of speaking. Talk. Come on. Francis has refused to talk. Amy, do you have the answer?
No.
Okay, let me explain. Let's go together. Okay? Let us go together. We have been told Brittany paid 1,500 shillings for a table. Now, we have marked price and selling price. Is that okay? But in between,
Yes.
we have something we call a discount. So now, if she paid 1,500 shillings. She paid 1,500 shillings. That is her buying price, isn't it? Are we okay?
Yes.
What she paid is her buying price, isn't it?
Yes.
So we have the marked price, which was already there, but she has paid a buying price of 1,500 shillings. Now, between the buying price and the marked price, you have been told this was 10% less than the marked price. So between the marked price and the buying price, there is 10%. That means the marked price is more than the buying price. So it means 10% is the discount.
Yes.
So there's 10% in between. So if 1,500 shillings is 10% less, then it means, remember we said market price is always 100%. Percent.
Percent.
So market price is going to be 100%. Market price is 100%. But she has paid 10% less. So what is 10% less of 100?
90.
That is
90.
90, correct. So she has paid 90%, 90%. But this 90% we have been told is the same as 1,500? 500. So,
Yes.
so what is 100%? If 90% is the same as 1,500, what is 100%? What is 100%, Salma?
So when you divide it, it has decimals.
Huh? It has decimals.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you don't know anything about cents.
Yes.
You have never heard anything called cents.
We have
So
1, 6.
So she has paid 90% is 1,500. 100% is going to be 1,500 times 100 over 90. 3, of course, will be there 30. 3 will be there 500, isn't it? Well, let me start with the 0. 1500 times 100 over 90. The zeros will cancel. 3 there, 3 there, 500. Then, of course, we are going to have 5,000. Is it 5,000? Divide by 3. What do you get? Divide by... Yes, what do you get? $5,000 divided by 3. You get 1,000?
1,500.
Share 5,000 divided by 3.
Yes.
1,600.
1,666.
666.666.
Recurring, isn't it?
Yes.
This is a recurring
It is
number.
going to be 1,666 and 70 cents. Is that okay? Or,
Yes.
or and 60, roughly at 70 cents, right? We round it off to the nearest 10 cents. Is that okay?
Yes.
The nearest 10 cents. Or you could say it's at 70 cents, the nearest 10 cents. So it is, then you have been told that she paid 2,500 shillings. So what we need to find? We need to find the difference, isn't it? The difference between 2,500 paid what? 2,500. Then you're asked how much more than the market price. So the market price we have agreed is 1,666 and 70 cents. If we round it off to the nearest 10 cents, is that okay?
Yes.
So you subtract 1,666 and 70 cents. You'll have 30 cents there. You'll have 3. There you'll have 9, 3. There you'll have 14, 8. 833 shillings and 30 cents. Why are you saying it is not possible? Let me give you another one, which has no decimals. People don't like decimals.
Please repeat that from where you get 1,666.70 cents.
That is Michelle Kariuki, yes?
Yes.
We have 1,666.666 recurring, isn't it?
Yes.
Recurring, isn't it? To recur is to repeat itself. 6 is repeating itself. After 6, you continue getting 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. without an end. So we'll stop at the second decimal place, because at the third decimal place, because that is where our interest is, because cents are in 2 decimals, not 3. So now we round that off. So you can say 6 will go to 0 because the other 6 is more than 5, isn't it? So this will be 0, and then you add 1 there to 2 decimal places. So you get 1666 and 70 cents. But remember, calculating the market price, that is 100%. Senior? Mukiri.
Yes.
That is 100%. But what was the question? The question was, let me look for the question. The question was, if she paid 2,500 shillings, if she paid 2,500 shillings, how much market price would she have paid? So she paid 2,500 shillings. That is on top of the market price. In other words, here now she was not given a discount. She's paying more than the market price. So if you subtract that, then you get the difference between the market price and the buying price, or what she paid. And that will be how much more she will have paid. Mukiri, I don't know if that makes sense. Mukiri, not Mukiri, Kariuki. Kariuki, Michelle. Michelle, Kariuki.
Yes.
You are not settled. What is the problem?
Yeah, it's my siblings who are disturbing.
Tell them that I will come there with a bag full of corona. Tell them to leave you be. Now, next question. Let's go to the next question. That is discount. Let's go to the next question. Next question. In a class, 25% of the pupils are boys. In a class, 25% of the pupils are girls or are boys. 25% of the pupils are boys. If there are 30 girls in the class, how many more girls than boys are in the class? In a class, 25% of the pupils are boys, sorry. Are boys. If there are 30 girls, how many more girls than boys are in the class? How many more girls than boys are in the class? That's an easy one. It should be true. Yes, yes. There was a hand up. Mercy?
20.
20. 20. Yes. Different answer. Brittany? Unmute yourself, Brittany. Come on.
I agree with Mercy's answer.
20.
Yes.
How many more girls than boys are in the class? Mumtaz, what have you got?
Jamie.
Mumtaz, have you finished?
I've also found 40.
Salma, have you finished?
Yes,
Have you finished?
yes, I've also agreed with Mercy.
You agree with Mercy? Let us see.
Yes.
Okay, let us see. Let us try. We have been told that 25% are boys. They are boys. So if 25% are boys, what is the percentage of girls in the class? Mumtaz.
75.
Class. What is the percentage
75.
of girls in the class?
75%.
75%.
75% of the class is girls. Okay. But we have been told that the number of girls in the class is
30.
30.
30. The question is,
30.
how many more girls than boys? How many
Boys.
more girls than boys? So we do a shortcut and get the difference between the percentages, isn't it?
Yes.
So we'll take 75 minus 25%. What do we have? 50%. Is that okay?
Yes.
So we are going to say that if 75% is equal to 30, what is 50%? Percent. So we are going to say to multiply and divide. Is that okay?
Yes.
It's going to be 50 times 30 all over 75? 75.
75.
So what is our answer here? 5 goes into 50
10.
10 times. 5 goes into 75 15 times. Is that okay?
Yes.
Then 15 there once, 15 there 2 times. Is that okay?
Yes.
10 times 2 is going to give us 20. The question was, how many more girls than boys? So we have 20 more girls than boys. But also, there are those who prefer to go the long way. In mathematics, time is a very important factor. Sometimes it is important to use shortcuts.
Yes.
Yeah, time is an important factor. Sometimes it is important to use shortcuts so that you arrive at the answer fast enough. So the correct answer is 20. The correct answer is 20. Let us try this other one.
Yes.
In Aharambe, the number of men was 25% less than that of women. The number of men was 25% less than that of women. And the number of women.
Yes.
And the number of women. And the number of women was and the number was women was 20% less than the number of children. Than the number of children. If there were If there were 100 children at the meeting, if there were 100 children at the meeting, if there were 100 children at the meeting, how many people, or sorry, how many men, what question do I want to ask? Let me reframe the question. How many more women than men were at the meeting? Good, that's a better question. Do I repeat the question? Let me repeat the question. In a Harambe meeting, the number of men was 25% less than that of women, and the number of women 20% less than that of children. Less than that of children. If there were 100 children at the meeting, if there were 100 children at the meeting, how many more women than men were at the meeting? How many more women than men were at the meeting? How many more women than men were at the meeting? Galaxy A20S, identify yourself, please. Good morning. Galaxy A20S, good morning. Work out as I... Good morning. This Galaxy A20S is not speaking. Do I remove him from our class? Who has finished? In class. Who has finished? So first of all, you need to calculate the number of, you start with the number of, remember we are progressing from the known to unknown. We are progressing from the known to unknown. We have agreed that we progress or we move from the known to unknown. What is the known? The known is children. So which of the commodities we have there is related to the children? We have women and men. Who are related to the children there? It is the women that are related to the children, isn't it?
Yes.
So you first of all work out. So you move from known to unknown. So move from children to women and from women to men. Known to unknown. So let us work out very fast. Brittany, you look finished?
No.
Not yet. I work it out. Work it out. Yes, Emily. Emily, are you stuck?
No.
What is your answer? You haven't finished?
Yes.
Make it fast. We have 3 minutes. We must finish within 2. Mumtaz, are you finished? Have you finished, Mumtaz? Not yet. Your network is not very good, Mumtaz. You'll need to work on it. You'll need to find a place with better network. Angel. Angel.
Yes.
What is your answer?
I've not finished.
Yeah. Where is Sam? Is Sam with you? Angel, is Sam with you?
No.
Oh, he's not there. Good. Who has finished? If you are stuck, put up your hand so that we can help you. If you are stuck, put up your hand. Mercy is stuck. That is good. Orpa, don't show me that picture you are showing me. Emily is stuck. Yes. Quite a number. Mumtaz is equally stuck. Quite a number of you are stuck. Mumtaz raised her hand. Whitney is also stuck. Whitney, you are raising your hand in style. You don't want the others to see. They have seen you. Francis Edward, stop playing there. If you want to play, leave the class and go. Playing is not allowed. Now let us work out together. Let us work out. We have been told that in a meeting, the number of men is 25% less than women. That is number one. Men is 25% less than women. And the number of women is 20% less than children. But the children are 100. So we move from the children. Let's start from the children. If the children are 100, that is our starting point. If that is our starting point, then we make it 100% because that is our starting point. So if the children are 100%, so we say 100% is equal to 100 children. Okay?
Yes.
100% is equal to 100 children. So, if the women are 20% less than the children, what is the percentage of women?
8%.
80%. That is correct. So we say if 100 is equal to 100%, 100% is 100. How about 80%? Then we cross multiply and divide. We are going to get 80 times 100 all over 100. That 100 will cancel with 100. We are left with 80 women. So we have 80 women and we have 100 children. Once we get the women, we want to calculate the men. The men are related to the women. So we cannot calculate men from children. We are going to calculate men from women. So once we know the number of women, that number of women becomes for us 100%. So now you say if 100% is equal to 80, what then is 100 minus 25 is what? What is 100 minus 25?
75.
Huh?
85.
85?
75.
75, correct. So now we say what is 75%? Then you're going to multiply 80 times 75 all over 100. All over 100. 0 with 0. 2, 5 times 2, 4 times there. 2 there once, 2 there 15. That is going to give you 60. So you have 60 men, you have 80 women, and you have 100 children. What is the question? How many more women than men are in the meeting? What is the answer?
20.
20. That is the answer. Did you follow?
Yes.
Did you follow?
Yes.
Good. That marks the end of mathematics. We are meeting in...
I have a question.
You have a question? The meeting is ending now. So if you have the question, let us rejoin for 5 minutes so that we can answer those questions.